to use my very first order and put a stop to all forms of harassment from Agbero on our streets everywhere in Lagos.
MC Oluomo, kokoZaria, in big panic as PDP governorship candidate Jandor promised to stop harassment from Lagos Transport Union, talks and touts that disturb Lagosians. The People's Democratic Party governorship candidate from Lagos State, Olajide Adediran, popularly known as Jandor, has promised to put an end to harassment from Transport Union thugs, popularly called Agberus, he voted in as the next governor of Lagos State. Many commuters in November 2022 left stranded on Lagos State Road as commercial bus driver in the state went on 7-day strike against alleged extortion, harassment from motor park thugs. However, Jandor, during an electoral college governorship debate held in Lagos on Wednesday, said he will put an end to harassment from Transport Union thugs. He stated that monopoly has eaten deep in all sectors of Lagos State. Lagos has the problem, and that program is monopoly. Monopoly that has eaten deep in all sectors of Lagos economy. The first thing to announce to the people of Lagos State is to say, yes, we have our independence. We are now free. I will use my first order and put a stop to all form of harassment from Agberus like MC Oluomo and kokoZaria on our street of Lagos. I will return them to where they belong. That's the first thing to do, he said.
Lagos has a problem. And I'm sure that problem is the monopoly. The monopoly that has eaten deep in all sectors of Lagos economy, politically, economy, and the likes. And the first thing to announce to the people of Lagos is to say, yes, now we have our independence, we have our freedom. And by so doing, the first thing to do is to do an order. I won't waste my time to do order for that particular one. I'll use just a word pronouncement. To use my very first order and put a stop to all forms of harassment from Agbero on our streets everywhere in Lagos. First thing to do, and take them off my road and return to where they belong. That's the first thing to do. And if you're asking for one thing, that's one thing. That first, can we have a breath of fresh air in the state of Lagos, everywhere we turn to? This one is one too many. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
This is OĽUomo TV Watch. My name remains Oluomo, and don't forget to subscribe, comment your opinion, like, comment and share, so that other people can get access to what you enjoy on our channel. Thank you. We love you.